Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when Control plus space is not working in Word or if it is not working in Excel. So Control plus space. If it is not working like this, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now to fix it, if you have PowerToys open on your computer, like installed on your computer, then open PowerToys on your computer. And once you open PowerToys, scroll down and find the option which says peak over here. So select peak. Now once you select peak over here, you can see the option which says enable peak. If this is on, and for activation shortcut, if Control plus space is selected over here, then you might face this problem. So either you can turn off enable peak option, but if you want to use enable peak, in that case you can change the activation shortcut. Now for this, you can click on this edit icon, and over here you can select some other key. So maybe instead of Control plus space, you can select any key you want, and then you can save, and then you can start using Control plus space, and that will fix the problem. But in case, like, if you don't want to use the enable peak option, you can simply disable it, and you can then start using Control plus space in Excel, Word, wherever you want, and that should help you to get the buttons working. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.